Hey guys, just thought I'd make a video today I've got all my parts for my Barra, or the internal parts anyway, so I can start actually building the motor, which would be good. Yeah, so I'll just do a little walkthrough of what I got. Yeah, my fucking shed's a mess, but who cares? Don't judge me. So this is what I got. So this is all the internal bits that are going to be going into my Barra. So I got my full MLS gasket, VRS kit, sump gasket, stronger atomic valve springs. I got hydraulic lifters, head studs, just some coils under there, billet pump gears. Most of the stuff's atomic valves and fucking valve locks and collets, bearings, rings. I got a cylinder hone just because hone out the cylinders, they're a bit ugly looking. I got gas rods and pistons. So what does it say? It's upside down, but fucking 3R23. That's the fucking gas piston. So it's strong. It's actually, the fucking valves and stuff were actually the bearings were quite good. I'm just gonna replace them anyway while I'm here. Yeah, so I've already got it all disassembled except for most of the piston. All the pistons are still in except for the one. Yeah, and then I got all my bits sitting neatly over here, or as neat as I can on this messy ass bench. My head, valve cover, fucking front cover. I might actually do my oil pump today. Fucking, I already got all the screws out because I'm a legend and didn't need to drill any of them out. There's not much wear on that. It looks good. Yeah, my fucking cams and all that good stuff. Yeah, I got lots of Falcon. They're just more Falcon bits. There's a water pump, thermostat housing with the fucking thing on it. Speakers for the Falcon. Lots of good stuff. It's coming along. Oh, these are the wheels we're gonna have. I don't know if I showed you already, but they're 8x10. Sorry, fucking, what is it? 14 by 10 hot wires, 10 inch wide for the back. So that's fucking some chunky meat. And then I got a set of 5, so I got a full size spare, which is good. I've got 14 by 8s for the front, another 14 by 10 there, 14 by 10, and then 3 14 by 8s. So they'll fit on there nicely. And then I'm just gonna run these tires into the ground. They're the tires off the old Hilux. Now I've got the tires, the fucking 14 by 10 jelly beans on the back of that, which are pretty cool. So I like the look of that. They fit nicely. These ones have a slightly different offset, so they'll fit better on the Falcon without having to roll the guards as much. I'm still gonna have to, but yeah, it'll be much easier. I'm gonna get all the valves and stuff done at a shop. Like, gonna get it surfaced anyway, and they said they'd do the valves for an extra $300, so they'll just easy. They've got the tool, just fucking pop the old ones out, new valve springs, retainers, collets in, fucking, yeah, easy as that. Then they can also lap them and whatnot anyway, so why wouldn't I do that? Yeah, it'll just be extra little peace of mind. Make sure all the valves seal properly and do all the stuff they need to do. Atomic parts are real good because they come with step-by-step instructions on how to install them. They all come with it. It's pretty good. It says to absolutely fill the thing with Vaso, so I had to go down the shop and get some bloody petroleum jelly to fill it up. So just pull the old gears out. Come here. Yeah, there we go. Very nice. blue point socket set. Not a flex. Fucking get them out of the way. See if I can open this one-handed, eh? New screws, which is good, but it's alright because I didn't bugger up any of the old screws because I'm a legend. Everyone seems to break them, but nah, not me. Look at this beautiful thing. Billet gears. Very nice. Now I'm going to install it and pump it with Vaso. Pack the gears with petroleum jelly to seal, provide a seal for the pump to create vacuum upon startup, therefore drawing oil into the pump. Fucking yeah. Pack it real good. Oh, now it's all squeezed out, sick. Seems to work as intended. I can't be bothered to go and get my torque wrench out of the car, but fucking it says 12 Newton meters, so I'm just gonna give him a bit of a beep. Beep. I've just sat that there for now because I'm gonna have to take it off again anyway to do my damn bearings and mains, big ends and mains. So yeah, I'm just gonna sit it there and then I'll take it off. But yeah, you get the idea. Thanks for watching this little parts breakdown. I don't know, whatever you want to call it. Internal parts breakdown, fucking oil pump video I just made for the sake of it. Anyway, more updates coming soon.